For this video, I'm gonna show you another knot that I often use for different projects. To start, make an X sign. This middle cord on top of this left middle cord. Then get your cord from the left, put it on top. Then keep this cord on your right, under this cord, and then make another X sign. And then we'll repeat the process. This one under. Okay, and then this one over. Make another X sign. Over, under, make an X sign. And then repeat the same thing over, under, another X sign. Over, under, make an X sign. I usually use this knot for bag straps. So basically, all you have to do is to work with 4 cords. But of course, you could also use this 8 cords to make your 4 flat braid. Just consider each cord as one, as if you are still working with 4 cords. So basically, you'll also do the same thing. You're gonna put this under and then make a cross or X sign, and then this one over, under, another X sign, over, and under, make an X sign. So it's actually up to you if you still like to add cords. What's important is that you group them into 4 sections so you could create this 4 flat braid. I applied this knot for this bag handle.